Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a Ford Edge and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Edge is equipped with memory seats and they are not working. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2021 to 2024. If you have older than 2021, the location of this fuse will be a bit different. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Fuse you will be checking is located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. Now, to access the fuse box, you want to pull this cover towards yourself, and the fuse box is deep inside. I will try to zoom in and turn flash on my phone so you can see it back there. Now you have two options here. You can either try to reach the fuse through this opening here, or you can do it from under here. You can see my hand, right? Whichever option you choose. This is not the easiest task, but it is what it is. It's doable. Now the fuse you want to check, I hope I'll be able to even record it. It's a fuse number 3, which will be just up here. You can see where my screwdriver is. All the way up there. This is the fuse for the memory seat. Sorry I can't record this better, but I just can't reach inside properly. Now, in case this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to test the memory seat's switch and check the wiring and all electrical connections. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.